Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, June 9th, 2023. It is 2:10 and 59 seconds, AM Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, nanomagnets. So let's jump to it here. Nanomagnets produce three-dimensional images, wide-view three-dimensional, holographic display, composed of nanomagnetic pixels. Date, April 19, 2016. Source, Tallahassee University of Technology. And this 3D display, with 1 micron pitch pixels, can show holographic images at viewing angle of over 30 degrees. This display is an attractive option for visualizing 3D objects with a smooth motion parallax and without using special glasses. As conventional 3D displays, such as stereo displays, wind glasses, and glass-free autostereoscopic displays, show two-dimensional images of each eye. Therefore, users experience incongruity and eye strain owing to these pseudo 3D images. A holographic display produces an exact copy of the wavefront of scattered light from an object, and hence a realistic 3D display is expected. Holographic displays can reconstruct realistic 3D images, thereby eliminating the need for special glasses. However, construction of holographic displays is difficult, as nano-sized pixels are required for reconstructing 3D images with a wide viewing angle. Conventional holographic displays have a viewing angle of greater than 3 inches and a pixel pitch of 10 to 100 microns. And these displays are driven by thermomagnetic recordings, and wide viewing angles are achieved through the use of in-house developed magneto-optic spatial light modulators composed of nano-sized pixels. The advantages of this approach are that the focus point of a laser defines the pixel size. The magneto-optic spatial light modulator does not require special current or voltage drive lines, and the switching speed is about 10 nanosecond pixel. That is enough for real-time display. Therefore, the magneto-optic spatial light modulator can represent 3D movie because display media is a rewritable magnetic material. In addition, the magnetic hologram is stored for magnetic materials semi-permanently. The viewing angle depends on pixel pitch size. In this study, they adjusted to the pixel pitch size of 1 micron after obtaining the pixel size of 1 micron. And this confirms, as previously stated, that a 3D display with 1 micron pitch pixels can display holographic images at a viewing angles of over 30 degrees. Therefore, this display constitutes an attractive option for visualizing 3D objects with a smooth motion parallax and without special glasses. And this is a professor on advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.